Welcome to the evening news here in Texas. Today we are going to hear a lot about the United Kingdom. I have a news reporter in London and he will tell us a lot about the history.
I'm standing here besides Big Ben and I'm gonna tell you a bit about English democracy. And in 1950 there was born really many children, but many of them died before they turned 15, and only just around 1% of the population got over 80 years old, compared to now, when almost every newborn child survives the childhood.
I'm standing here right beside the London Eye. This is the most popular place in the UK. In the UK there are also, and was also, many popular music bands. It was example the Beatles, Spice Girls and the Rolling Stones. And of course One Direction. The most popular writer is in the United Kingdom is William Shakespeare.
Great Britain's area is 200,033 and 610 square kilometers. England makes up for over the half part of UK's whole area. And in 2013 there lived around 64 million people in the UK. And at the longest point, UK stretches over 70,000 kilometers.
UK there are some different religions. Christian 71% of the population, Muslim 3%, Hindu 1%, other unspecified 25%. There are also some different ethnic groups. 87% white, 7% Asian, 3% black, 2% mixed, 1% others. And in the UK they speak different languages. They speak English, Welsh, Irish, Scottish and Gaelic. The national language is English.
In the UK they have a monarchy with a parliamentary control system. The parliament consists of two chambers, the House of Commons and the House of Lords. And in the House of Commons there is 643 members, and in the House of Lords there is 1,742 members.
Sport in the UK. Football is a very well-known sport in the UK, and there are some great teams who are some taught competitions against the rest of the world. Example, Liverpool and Manchester United are some pretty taught competitions. Snooker is a British billiards variant. It is the UK's most popular indoor sport and the second most popular TV sport, and after football.
The Roman invaded England in 100 BC, and Scotland and Wales were invaded until the 10th century, and in 1801 Ireland united with England, Scotland and Wales, and the four nations were united until 1922, and after that the United Kingdom has looked like it looks today.
Thank you for watching Texas News. Have a great evening. Good night.